Hi, Norlene. I'm sorry.
Hi. Oh, it's okay. Busy ka ba? Pwede bang makausap kita sa sa result ng application?
Sure.
Actually approve. Oh my God.
Yeah?
Yeah. Anong question mark yan ha? Ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Alam mo yung worried ako to fail you guys. And I can't really I don't wanna, as much as possible, ayoko nang gawin to sa inyo eh. Kasi we had a good relationship na, di ba? But you still coming back sa akin.
Of course.
Kasi I don't wanna fail anybody anymore, especially sa inyo. Kasi nga tapos na eh, naging maganda na yung mga result. But fortunately, naiiyak ako kasi ang hirap ng process.
Yeah. That's why we really trust you, Norlene.
Tapos ano pa ha? Tapos sabi pa, wala nang caregiver program, wala nang
diba, ang dami pinagdaanan na kung ano-anong changes.
I know, pero hindi tayo naniwala, di ba?
Yeah. Sige lang, fight lang,
Amazing.
diba?
Grabe. Lahat na yata kayong magkakapatid nakakuha na ng But, congratulations.
And it's all because of you.
No, ginamit lang ako ni Lord. And honestly, I just do my part as a immigration consultant. I tell you kung ano yung tama, kung ano yung nandon, but I never sugarcoat it. And I was worried every time I take a case, believe me, parang dala-dala ko ang malaking bato, honestly. Kasi ayokong ma-fail ang tao, but again, it's naman eh, hindi ako perfect at the same time. Hindi ko rin naman hindi ko naman control. But congratulations. I-send ko sa inyo yung file. Congratulations ulit.
Really, grabe, as in grabe. We know, kaya nga 'di ba sinabi ko sa iyo na alam ko yung situation ni talagang
hindi strong, 'di ba? Kaya nga laging sinasabi, strong man or weak. Pag tinanong mo ako, mayroon akong process na strong ang case na re-refuse, mayroong hindi na a-approvean, and this is exactly what we have.
That's why we really like you because you're straightforward. Alam mo yun, na you're not, hindi kayong paasa na, ganto-ganto or no.
Ayoko talagang magpaasa kasi pag nagpaasa ako, siyempre, sasama ang loob nyo sa akin pag na-fail ko kayo. So, ayoko yon. So, that's why, and alam nyo naman, I can actually retire anytime I want. But, congratulations ulit. I'll send you the,
Oh my God. We are actually flying to Paris today.
Oh my God! Say hi to Eiffel Tower, my favorite.
Yeah, and
good
Barcelona.
For you guys. Yeah, good for you.
Yeah.
Sige, congratulations.
Thank you, ha.
You're welcome. Good news, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.
Ay, magandang hapon po.
Na-istorbo ba kita?
Hindi naman po.
May result na tayo.
Yes po.
Nalaman mo na ba?
Hindi pa po.
Are you sure? Ang result is approved.
Wow. Salamat po. Salamat sa Diyos.
Nakakatuwa dahil caregiver program, 'di ba? Sabi nila close na as what I've informed you. But right now, we took the chances and we believe in our faith na kahit sinabing close na, we did it. So, nakakatuwang maisip na yung sitwasyon na sinabi nila na hindi na pwede. Tapos 'di ba ang sabi pa nila 12 months na lang yung yung validity ng LMIA. Ito naman ngayon, it's 24 months hanggang 2027. Unbelievable. Amazing. Wow. You're so lucky.
Salamat po.
So congratulations ulit, okay? So I will send you the information.
Salamat po.
All right, sige. Bye-bye.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you po.
Amazing, guys. I process an LMIA. The employer actually seek a consultation with me together with the worker. They asked me ano ba ang dapat para sa kanila with all the restrictions. Imagine last year ang daming restriction, pero sabi nila let's go for caregiver application, LMIA caregiver. Although sabi sa ministerial instruction that there's no LMIA work permit application sa immigration na kapag ka tourist visa holder ka. This